The story of Apple began in 1976, a year that would mark the inception of one of the most influential companies in the world, in a humble garage in Los Altos, California, a place that would soon become legendary in the annals of technology history. Two young visionaries, Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, had a passion for electronics and a dream of changing the world. They were not just hobbyists, they were pioneers with a clear vision. They saw the potential of computers to be more than just complex machines used by corporations and universities. They imagined a future where computers would be accessible to everyone, not just the elite. They envisioned computers as tools for everyone, empowering individuals with technology. This was a radical idea at the time, but they were determined to make it a reality. The garage became their workshop, a place where late-night brainstorming sessions fueled their ambition. It was here that they spent countless hours tinkering and experimenting. It was a time of experimentation and raw creativity, where the seeds of a technological revolution were sown. Every night they pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Jobs, with his keen business acumen and marketing instincts, saw the potential to bring their creations to the masses. He was not just a tech enthusiast, he was a visionary marketer. Wozniak, a brilliant engineer, possessed the technical prowess to turn their vision into reality. His engineering skills were the backbone of their early innovations. Their first creation was a simple circuit board, a computer for hobbyists and enthusiasts. This was the beginning of something much larger than they could have imagined. This was the Apple I, a bare-bones machine that required users to build their own casing and connect their own keyboard. It was a product that demanded creativity and technical know-how from its users. Despite its rudimentary form, the Apple I marked the beginning of an extraordinary journey. It was a stepping stone that would lead to groundbreaking innovations. It was a testament to the power of imagination and the unwavering belief in their ability to bring innovative products to the world. Their journey was fueled by a relentless pursuit of excellence. This garage in Cupertino, California, became the birthplace of a company that would go on to transform the way we live, work and interact with technology. It was more than just a workspace, it was a cradle of innovation. It was a testament to the American dream, where two young entrepreneurs, driven by passion and innovation, could create a global phenomenon from humble beginnings. Their story is an inspiration to dreamers and doers everywhere. The Apple. I was just the first step on their remarkable journey. It was the foundation upon which they would build a legacy of innovation and creativity that continues to shape our world today. The Apple I, though primitive by today's standards, was a groundbreaking achievement for its time. It was one of the first personal computers to feature a keyboard and video output, making it more user-friendly than the complicated systems that preceded it. This accessibility was key to Jobs' vision of bringing computing to the masses. The Apple I was more than just a circuit board. It represented the democratization of technology. It empowered individuals with the ability to own and operate a computer, something that had previously been confined to large institutions. It was a symbol of the burgeoning personal computer revolution, a movement that would change the world forever. Despite its significance, the Apple I was a limited success commercially. Only 200 units were produced, and its high price tag made it accessible only to a small group of hobbyists and early adopters. However, it served as a crucial stepping stone for Apple, providing valuable lessons and resources that would be poured into their next project, the Apple. I proved that there was a market, however niche, for personal computers. It gave Jobs and Wozniak the confidence and experience to refine their vision and develop a product with even greater mass appeal. The lessons learned from the Apple I would pave the way for the Apple II, a computer that would truly ignite the personal computer revolution. In 1977, Apple launched the Apple II, a computer that would transform the company from a niche player into a major force in the tech industry. This pivotal moment marked the beginning of a new era in personal computing, one that would see Apple rise to prominence and set the stage for future innovations. The Apple II built upon the foundation laid by its predecessor. incorporating several key improvements that made it more appealing to a wider audience. The enhancements were not just technical but also aesthetic, making the device more accessible and attractive to everyday users. Unlike the bare-bones Apple I, the Apple II came with a sleek molded plastic case and a built-in keyboard. This design was a significant departure from the DIY kits that dominated the market at the time, offering a polished, ready-to-use product that appealed to non-technical users. It also boasted color graphics and the ability to display both text and graphics on the same screen, features that were revolutionary for their time. These capabilities opened up new possibilities for software development, allowing for more engaging and interactive applications. These advancements made the Apple II more user-friendly and appealing for a wider range of applications, from gaming and education to business and creative pursuits. The versatility of the Apple II meant that it could be used in a variety of settings, making it a valuable tool for many different types of users. The Apple II was an instant success, becoming one of the first mass-market personal computers. Its impact was felt across the industry, as it set a new standard for what a personal computer could be and do. Its affordability, ease of use, and versatility made it a popular choice for homes, schools, and businesses alike. The Apple II's success in these diverse environments demonstrated its broad appeal and utility. It opened up a world of possibilities, allowing people to perform tasks that were previously impossible or impractical on a personal computer. From managing finances to creating art, the Apple II empowered users in ways that had never been seen before. The success of the Apple II propelled Apple into the spotlight and established the company as a leader in the burgeoning personal computer industry. This newfound prominence allowed Apple to attract top talent and investment, further fueling its growth and innovation. It solidified Apple's reputation for innovation and user-friendly design, setting the stage for the company's continued growth and influence in the decades to come. The Apple II's legacy can be seen in the many groundbreaking products that followed, each building on the foundation it established. The Apple II was more than just a product. It was a cultural phenomenon that brought computing into the mainstream. Its influence extended beyond the tech industry, shaping the way people interacted with technology and paving the way for the digital age we live in today. In 1984, Apple introduced the Macintosh, a computer that would revolutionize the way we interact with technology. This was a pivotal moment in the history of personal computing, marking the beginning of a new era where technology became more accessible and user-friendly. Inspired by the graphical user interface developed at Xerox PARC, the Macintosh was the first mass-market computer to feature a mouse and a graphical user interface. This innovation replaced complex command-line interfaces with intuitive icons and windows, making it easier for everyday users to operate a computer without needing to learn complicated commands. The Macintosh was a radical departure from the text-based computers of the time. Before its introduction, personal computers were primarily used by hobbyists and professionals who were comfortable with text-based command-line interfaces. The Macintosh changed all that by offering a more visual and interactive experience. It made computing more accessible to a broader audience, allowing users to navigate menus, open files, and launch applications with a simple point and click. This ease of use was a game changer, opening up the world of computing to people who had never used a computer before. This intuitive design made the Macintosh incredibly user-friendly, even for those with no prior computer experience. It was designed with the user in mind, focusing on simplicity and ease of use, which helped to demystify technology for the average person. The Macintosh was more than just a technological marvel, it was a cultural icon. Its sleek design and innovative features captured the imagination of the public, making it a symbol of creativity and innovation. Its launch was accompanied by a groundbreaking Super Bowl commercial directed by Ridley Scott, which positioned the Macintosh as a tool for rebellion against conformity. This commercial, which aired only once, became one of the most famous advertisements in history. This iconic advertisement, combined with the Macintosh's innovative design and ease of use, captured the imagination of the public and solidified Apple's reputation as a company that challenged the status quo. The Macintosh was not just a product, it was a statement. The Macintosh's impact on the computing industry was profound. It set a new standard for what personal computers could be, influencing the design and functionality of future devices. It established the graphical user interface as the standard for personal computers, paving the way for the development of modern operating systems like Windows and macOS. This shift towards graphical interfaces made computers more accessible and easier to use for everyone. The Macintosh's legacy of innovation and user-centric design continues to influence the way we interact with technology today. From smartphones to tablets, the principles of intuitive design and user-friendly interfaces that the Macintosh introduced are still at the core of modern technology.